Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. We'll walk you through the process of installing a new Arnott rear air spring for the Ram 1500 DS Generation 2. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. This vehicle contains a closed air supply system. Replacement of components requires proper adherence to procedures set forth within OE servicing literature. Failure to comply with the OE prescribed procedures can result in component damage and/or failure. Start by raising the vehicle. Then, remove the applicable rear wheel and the wheel well liner. Now use the scan tool to deflate the air spring into the reservoir. Loosen and remove the airline. Now push in the locking tabs and push downward on the air spring to dislodge it from the vehicle. Once dislodged, remove the air spring from the vehicle completely. The removal is now complete. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Prepare the new Arnott air spring by removing the included nut and removing the shipping pin from the air fitting. Now install the new Arnott air spring into the vehicle. Before inserting the existing airline into the new air strut, you will need to remove the old original equipment airline fitting and discard it by sliding the threaded portion up the line and spreading the collet open to remove it. Slide the air fitting off the airline. The airline is now ready for installation. Scratches and/or deep cuts in the airline can result in possible leaks. Inspect the airline before insertion. The airline needs to be replaced if damaged. Now insert the airline into the air fitting. Locate the hole in the upper spring seat towards the front of the vehicle and install the included nut. Tighten it until it's snug. Using an appropriate jack, lift the lower axle until the spring seat contacts the lower spring mount. Using the scan tool, run a short time inflation to seat the spring. Then, remove the jack and run the full inflation routine. Now, finish the installation by checking the system's air mass volume and refilling the system per the manufacturer's instructions. Then, reinstall the wheel well liner and the applicable rear wheel. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear air spring of a Ram 1500 DS Generation 2 with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.